Hello there, welcome to the 365 Challenge, 365 guitar lessons in 365 days. In this lesson I will be showing you how to play a C minor shaped bar chord. Now this is quite a rarely used chord. I don't think I ever use the whole shape for rhythm guitar, but it is handy for lead guitar. Playing arpeggios and imagining the shape to sort of remind you which notes to sustain over certain chords. Now, if you were to play it as an open chord, there it is, what you would need to do is put the first finger on the first fret of the fourth string, second finger on the first fret of the second string, and then your little finger, the fourth finger, on the third fret of the fifth string. And you just play the four middle strings, so 5, 4, 3, 2. That's your C minor open chord. Now you need to move all four of those notes up the fretboard if you're going to use it as a bar chord. What you would need to do is swap the fingers over. So let's just start again higher up the neck. Let's play it as a G minor. So what we're going to do is start with the first finger, put the first finger on the 7th fret of the third string, then the second finger on the 8th fret of the fourth string, and then your third finger on the 8th fret of the second string, and then your little finger stretches over to the 10th fret of the fifth string. That works on any fret. It's not the easiest chord in the world to play, and as I said earlier, I don't really use it for rhythm guitar very much, but I do use it for arpeggios, so this kind of playing one note at a time and picturing the chord shape in order to remember which notes to sustain. So if I was in like sort of C Dorian, I could but playing over a G minor chord at that particular moment, I could picture that G minor shape, C minor shape, but on a G, and it will remind me which notes to sustain. So that is your C minor shaped bar chord, one of the less often used bar chord shapes, and just remember that the root note is on the 5th string and gets played by the little finger. So if I went into an A minor but using a C minor shape, I would place the little finger on the 12th fret there, because that's an A, and form the rest of the chord around that. Okay, there you go.